Phase 3 has finally been announced, and they have added another income stream to the platform. So I'm going to be covering that in this video today. And as a result of this announcement, I have also created a brand new bonus stack, which I am going to show you what it is. So make sure you watch until the end. I'm going to show you the new stuff that they've added to the platform. So let's jump into it. Okay, on the webinar today, Phase 3 launch was announced. It's going to be March 25th, 2025 at 12 noon EST. So if you try and join after 12 noon on the 25th, you are going to miss out on the one-time lifetime payment. That is going away at 12 noon on the 25th. Now, why is this important? Because you're going to end up paying so much more money if you join after the 25th, because it's going to be recurring payments instead of just a one-time lifetime payment, and you're going to get 75% commissions, which is awesome. So that is why this is important. So after the 25th, you will still be able to get in, but like I say, it's going to be recurring subscription fees. So the other thing that happened on the webinar today is they announced an all-new commission level for live workshops. So they are starting a new live workshop, which goes live on Monday, I think it's Monday the 17th. Yeah, it goes live on Monday, March 17th, and it's actually 2 days. There's the 6-hour long workshop on Monday, and then a Q&A session on Tuesday. And if you are a member, if you join now as a platinum member one time, you're going to get 20% commissions on that with anybody that is in your group. So that is super important. This is going to be a whole nother way to start earning commissions, which I am super excited about. And so what they're thinking at this point is that they're going to be holding these live workshops like maybe once a month, maybe every other month. That's not set in stone yet because this whole thing is just launching. But as a platinum member, which means if you come in now with the lifetime, you'll be a platinum member. You're going to get 20% commissions on everybody who signs up for one of those workshops who is in your group. It's just going to happen naturally, whether you mention it or not. They will be talking about these workshops. If someone who signed up underneath you joins one of these workshops, then you as a platinum member will get 20% commission. So this is super exciting for me. And they're going to be covering on this one that's coming up on Monday, they're going to be covering ways to really promote master affiliate profits so that you can be successful. They are going to go over rapid traffic, list building, tips and tricks, as well as how to keep your income sustainable over the long term. So there's going to be a ton of really important information that is going to be discussed in this live workshop occurring on Monday the 17th. And what you learn in that workshop, you can implement towards growing your MAP sales before they go to Phase 3. Now, so let me get these out of the way here. And I wanted to show you the action challenge. Here it is. The first bit is going to be about traffic techniques, list building hacks, super affiliate tricks. You're going to learn advanced tactics and long-term profit tactics. And so if you click the Access Now button, you have a couple of choices. There's a webinar that talks about this, but if you want to just do the challenge, which is going to be about a 6-hour live workshop on the 17th, then it's $197. And if you decide that you want to attend the bonus session afterwards, which is going to be a Zoom call, you will be able to talk directly with both John and Omar and ask your questions on this live Zoom. You'll be able to unmute yourself. It's going to be a total behind the scenes insights into affiliate marketing, and you're going to learn advanced MAP strategies. So if you wanted access to both, it's going to be the $247. If you want access to just the 6-hour training, it is $197. And then once you click get access now, you'll get the links to to the workshop. So that is the new workshop that's being added to the platform, which, like I said, is going to give you additional income. So as a MAP Platinum member, you get access to all of these different areas here, and you get the maximum training available. So if you go to, once you join, if you go to your products, you'll see what you have available. And the MAP Action Challenge here is the first thing. And then Profit Push, how to create what's called a crush campaign. It's going to go through the strategy and how to create that sense of urgency. And then you would get access to all these other specific trainings: Traffic Jumpstart, Rapid Digital Assets, Commission Experts. And so there is just a ton of information that is available on this site, tons of training. And they're going to be including different ways to earn. So you can also get commissions by connecting your Aweber account or your autoresponder, as well as different ways to connect to Udemy for solo ads. So there is just a lot of different ways that you are going to be able to earn with MAP. And like I said, once they go into phase 3, you are going to be missing out on the one-time lifetime payment. So this is super critical. Long term, you're going to end up paying a lot more if you wait to join. So my new bonus stack that I have put together for you, as someone, if you join through my link, I'm going to go through here. Here is my bonus stack. Here's what you're getting. I use a funnel software called System.io, and I'm going to allow you to copy my funnel with one click. And I've also got an ebook called The Hook Formula, which you are going to be able to download and also make it your own. You can edit the first 2 pages of the book and make it your own, rebrand it, and then you'll be able to use this on your own funnel. I've got a 5 pre-written email campaign. Right now it's pretty generic, so you'll need to modify it for whatever campaign you're going to use it for. And then here's the key, is you're going to be able to make these bonuses, my bonuses, your bonuses. I'm going to allow you to rebrand them and give them, use them as your own. So that is a pretty amazing bonus stack here for joining MAP using my link. Now there's also a sales letter here, and if you scroll down, there's a section here that talks about frequently asked questions, what image here with master affiliate profits, and then I go over what's in the course, and then click here to get started. And so if you want to see the bonuses, I've got my bonus page here. So after you join, what you would do is send me an email receipt that you joined MAP under my link. And here's where you can just create your System.io account. Just click this button here. And then you can import the funnel with just one click by clicking that button there. And then I used Canva for editing the ebook, and so you can access the whole book template right here in Canva. You just need the free account, and you can edit the first 2 pages to make them unique to you. And then you get the done for you email campaign right here. And then step 5 is the document which shows you how to make my bonuses your bonus. And then I even added some other additional unannounced bonuses, which I am not going to show you. So you will have to join MAP and let me know that you joined under my link, sending me the receipt that you joined. And the email is listed down below. And I'll actually put my email in the description too, where you can email me once you have made your purchase, and I will send you the bonuses so that you can import them and start using them right away. Now this is going to be great because you're going to be able to follow up with your MAP members as they sign up into this funnel. So the funnel itself is very generic, so you can use it for anything. It does not have to be used for map itself. So you can change the logos, you can change the verbiage here however you want. System.io is a drag and drop software that is very easy to use and allows you to modify the funnel however you want to. So here's the funnel in System.io. You've got 5 pages here which you can modify. All you would do is go to Edit Page, and this is just a drag and drop software. So you can just drag something in there and modify however you want. And so it is super easy to use. I am not going to keep that, so let's go ahead and delete that there. And we actually don't need the box there either. So here is the whole website here that you can use and modify. You can change the background color. It's just drag and drop, like I say. Very easy, and like I said, it's generic. So you would put your name in here where it says your name, or modify this however you want to modify it. So if you wanted to change the color of the button, you would put in your picture here, your name there. So there's kind of prompts as you go through to change certain aspects of this funnel. You can modify this however you want. It's very easy to do. If you don't like what you've done, before you start editing, you can always make a copy of the page. So if you wanted to make a copy, so if you go here and say duplicate, you can make a copy and play around with it. And if you don't like it, you can just delete it because it's a duplicate. So there's ways that you can use System.io, just play around with it. You're not going to hurt anything. And import this whole funnel into your account and start using it to grow your list. And so that is the map funnel. You can see here it's very similar. I've added my picture. I've worked on the bonus page. There's some testimonials here, which you can see when you get into the webinar page. There's a section there with testimonials. There's hundreds of them there. What to expect after you enroll. And so make sure you check out MAP and join before March 25th, 2025, because like I say, after that date, it is going to phase 3 and the one-time payment is going away and you are going to miss out. So I look forward to seeing you in there, and let's kill it in 2025.